Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data. Back up everything because OEM unlocking often triggers a factory reset. Next, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times in About Phone. This exposes the OEM unlocking toggle. Once done, enable USB debugging and the OEM unlocking switch in developer options so your PC can communicate with the phone. Make sure the phone screen is unlocked and that you accept any USB debugging prompts when the PC connects. You need the right tools on your PC. Install the Android platform tools so ADB and Fastboot are available. Once installed, connect the phone over USB and confirm visibility with the DB devices. If you see an authorization prompt on the phone, accept it. Next, reboot the device into the bootloader using a DB reboot bootloader or the device key combo. You do this because unlocking the OEM flag is performed at the bootloader level. Fastboot will be the utility you use to send the unlock command. You can now issue the unlock command with Fastboot, typically Fastboot OEM unlock or Fastboot flashing unlock depending on the device. Press the phone's hardware keys to confirm the unlock when prompted. This step is deliberate and wipes user data. After the command completes, reboot with Fastboot reboot and verify the OEM unlock state, either with Fastboot OEM device info or by checking developer options after setup. If the device stalls or is not recognized, reinstall drivers, try a different USB cable or port, and ensure USB debugging was authorized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.